Hi, it's me. I'm Leah. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are cooking chocolate truffles, but not regular chocolate truffles. We are doing the vegan version of them. We are using azuki beans as a source of protein, and we are combining them with some nuts and dates to give them their sweet flavor. So if you come with me, I'll show you how to make them. First, we are going to take the pit out of the dates. We are using 6 medjoul dates. Now I'm going to blend 1 cup of cashews with a teaspoon of salt, making a fine powder. We are going to reserve it for later, as it is the coating of the balls. We are using already cooked azuki beans. That's because they have to be soaked in water for 4 hours, then boiled for an hour, and then set aside to chill. So now you can grab the food processor and add your azuki beans. We used 120 grams dry, your medjoul dates, 75 grams of pecan nuts, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or agave syrup. You can substitute with honey if you want to. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. I am also adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract to add some flavor. And then put a lid on and blend it all together. I'm going to check if the butter is smooth enough. If it's not, we are going to blend it a bit more. If you feel your paste is too dry, you can add some water, but mine is moist enough. So now we are going to make the balls. Once I get the desired consistency, I'm going to transfer the butter into an oven tray. I'm making this step just to avoid having my hands near the blades. I'm using an ice cream scooper because I believe it makes the perfect size ball. Then I roll them in between my hands and I coat them with the powdered cashews. Once it's well coated, I set them aside on a plate. And I repeat this step until the batter is over. With the quantities I gave you, I got 15 balls, but they were good size balls. So if you like them smaller, maybe you can take up to 20. So that's it. Then you let them cool in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and that's it. They are ready to eat. They are perfect to serve along with some hot tea or to take out as a snack. So here you have it, a vegan chocolate truffle recipe. I hope you really liked it, and if you do, let me know, try it and tag me on social media. Also, the recipe will be linked in the description box down below and also in my blog. If you liked it, I hope you subscribe so we can see in more of my videos. Until next time, and remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your lives.